Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Hey, Mike Foster here. How you doing? Little fireside chat. It's freezing out here. I mean, the desert is crazy. It's like 38 degrees out here, so gotta heat the house. But this is a versus. This is a versus called texting versus talking. Now, I'm an older dude. I mean, back in the day they didn't have texting. Back in the day they didn't have smartphones. You know, you had to talk to somebody. If you had to leave a message, I mean, they had answering machines, but you had to call somebody. If you had to talk to somebody, you had to give a message to them. You would talk to them. Now I know that you have to change with the times, and there's a time and place for texting. Texting is great. Texting is a great tool to use for specific reasons. Let's say you're in a meeting and you say, I can't talk, but text me. Let's say you're busy shopping or something and say, I can't talk, but text me. Let's say, you're at church or you're at some quiet place and you're like, I can't talk right now, but you can text me. Texting's fine with that. Or I do a lot of business with folks and they say, just text me your address and text me sometimes and I'll be over there and I'll give you a yes or no. That's all fine. That's awesome. To me, that's what texting was designed for. But texting wasn't designed to replace talking. And I think some people use texting to avoid difficult conversations. And I think some people use texting to think that they're going to have a conversation via text. Now, I know that it's a generational thing, and I know that a lot of you folks do that, but I don't get it. If I want to talk to someone, I don't want to sit there and text for 5 minutes. First of all, I hate texting. I can't stand sitting here typing on my phone. It's like, what the heck is that? Once in a while, there's a message you can do, and you can talk texting, which is nice. I use that a lot when I need to. But what if you just want to talk to someone? Usually you have to text them first. So I do. I text my son or somebody, and I say, do you have time to talk? And instead, they want to just talk to you via text. I said, no, I want to talk. I don't want to text. I want to get on the phone and go, hey, how you doing? Yeah, let's discuss something. Let's talk blah, blah, blah. Or even FaceTime. I don't want to sit here and go, yes, you, haha, LOL, oh, here's an emoji. Don't even get me into emojis. And again, emojis have their place. I use emojis. I use like the thumbs up, or use the hang loose, or use the smile. But I don't use it after every sentence. I use it instead of having to respond to a text. Someone gives me this big long text, blah, 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 blah. Give them the thumbs up. That's it. That's all you're getting from me. I'm not going to sit here and type a book. I'm a writer. I write on the side. I don't have time to be writing on my phone all day. But I do like to pick up the phone and talk to someone. That's why I love talking to my mom. She's 88, something like that. She's pretty old. I think she's 88. She never texted in her life. You call her, she picks up the phone and she talks. And if she doesn't want to talk, she lets the phone ring. That's the way you do it. But again, I'm not saying don't text. I think texting is great in its place. Texting should not replace talking. Talking is still important. We still need to get on the phone and talk to people. You don't get the same thing from a text. And people get more aggressive. First of all, they get more aggressive when they're talking on the phone versus being in person, because they can hide behind their phone. But they get really aggressive texting. Same thing with posting on Twitter and stuff. People say the darndest things that they wouldn't say to my face. People leave me comments on my videos, although 95+% are very positive. But they'll leave comments that you say to my face, you wouldn't get away with it. People have people have extra courage, cowards that have courage, hide behind comments, and sometimes they hide behind texting. So, texting versus talking, you need to text in certain aspects, but not to replace talking. Talking still has a place in society. So, next time you want to talk to someone and they want to text you, say, hey, I want to talk. Stop typing. Think about it, okay? And think about all the videos I have at Live Life 365 at YouTube, and check them out. Tell people about them. I have over 1,000 of them. And they're about everything. Everything about life. That's why it's called Live Life 365. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Hello? No, I don't want to text. I want to talk. Okay, hang up. I'll text you. Sweet Babu, please call me and we can talk, not text. Okay, you call now, okay. No, you just texted. I don't want to text. Okay, all right. Do not text me. Call me. No. No matter what you do, they still want to text. That's just society. Well, it is on, isn't it? Yeah.